today's all about inspiring young minds to come along, learn about construction roles, and hopefully excite them and plant that seed that maybe this industry could be for them. Once the students arrive, they get to register at the front door. They then come through, they get given a safety briefing, and we liken it to what we do on site every morning when we have a task briefing to make sure that everybody knows what they're doing, everybody's prepared, and everybody's going to work safely. Once the guys have finished their briefing, they come upstairs, and all along this floor are 17 employers. Each group gets nominated one employer, and then they go into one of these rooms. A group will be assigned a company, and they will spend 30 minutes with them. During that time, their challenge is to record all what they learn about job roles. And once they've done that, they will then proceed to the prep room where they will prepare their presentation with support from our team and then deliver it to some judges, which you'll see shortly. Okay, so now we're going to leave CTEC and we're going to walk over to CMAST. We're going to go to the IoT where they're doing their preparation. If we're busy in the prep room and we haven't quite got enough free stations, as you can imagine, we're trying to get 350 students all through this process. We've got a couple of areas. So this area over here is all about really cool interactive stuff. We've got drones in there, VR, things like that, fun stuff for them to do. And on this side, we have another room where they can meet colleges, some of the universities that are representing here, iConstruct with CITB here as well, to talk about apprenticeships and things like that that are on offer to them. But let's take you through to the prep room. Well, as you can see over my shoulder, it's very busy in here. This is the prep room for the guys. So once they've got their presentations, they'll be going through to one of these judging rooms. There's two that side and one behind us. Come with me. Right, so this is one of the judging rooms, and if we have a sneaky peek through the door, we can see them getting ready. They're about to do their presentation. This group out here, they're getting ready next, so they're doing their last minute rehearsal. So we'll leave them in peace because obviously they've got to do their preparation. As they've done their presentation now and presented it to the judges, there's some great interactive fun stuff to do all over this part of the campus here. And one of the first things we come across is the tech tour bus. So in here they can use VR and explore all sorts of engineering stuff. So let's explore some of the plants we have outside where they can see excavators, dumpers, pumps, robotics. We're going to say goodbye now, but that was iConstruct. Hope it gave you a really good flavour of what the event's all about, and hopefully you'll come along and join us next year.